Welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Bring you a quick update on the Bitcoin price. It is surging right now. Don't know why the pump is happening, because we had this stuff to do with not the SEC, the rate hikes and hike rate, whatever it is. That all's been going on, and I know they increased is it the rate hike? I think I'm saying it right, by 75 base points, which usually is a scare in the market, but it looks like we're seeing a pump here. Well, we are. So I'm going to go through this and show you what I see. If it sounds interesting, drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your further research before you invest. Hey! Losing my breath. Try to do it all in one take. We are back above the 200-week moving average. But remember, what date are we right now? What day is it? Thursday. We've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 more days. If Bitcoin can remain above in 3 more days, then I got to keep it real. That pie cycle that I was showing you could very well have called the bottom like a boss, and that 17K could have been the bottom, because this is the big struggle. Can it get above this 200 week? If it can do it, great. Then it's most likely we might stay above it. Fingers crossed. It'd be great if we can. Take a look at what's going on over here as well. Now, remember, I showed you this in the past. This is the RSI and the Stochastic RSI on the weekly time frame. I said to you, and look at the price chart back in 2018, top bit here, we saw the massive capitulation. The purple line was really low, oversold. I was waiting for it to cross this yellow line, and this is where I've got circled. I said when it crosses this yellow line, we could see sparks flying for Bitcoin. Look what happened last time. Went pumping right up until we got oversold for Bitcoin. And the stochastic RSI down here, because that's the RSI. The stochastic RSI also started to pump up because we saw the cross between the blue line and the red line. It started to come up, and the blue line was in front. Why am I saying this? Look where we are right now. With literally the blue line and the red line are starting to come up. We're seeing some crazy buy power coming in. We're starting to see this cross now that I told you about. This is what I was trying to tell you to wait for. Right, this is the weekly time frame. I will bring you another video on the monthly tomorrow, maybe, just so I can keep you up to date on it. But this is a powerful move. Do not underestimate it, because of what happened before. We could see a huge pump. Right, and the last time we saw this, like I said, look how low it's been oversold. We've never seen it this oversold before. The closest we got was back in 2018 at this drop here. Bitcoin pump from here, and I'll show you from the cross, right from the cross, from here up to 14K, a 304% pump. Does that mean we could see another 300% pump? If we do, what kind of prices are we talking? Now, it's not confirmed. I can't promise it, but if it has a powerful move, and we see the purple line start rising above in the RSI, a 300% pump could really push, Bitcoin. We could probably see new all-time highs. But there's a lot of things that Bitcoin has to do before we can get there. Before I leave you, I'm going to end you with this. The ribbons. You can grab this up as well if you use TradingView. This is the EMA ribbons. They're powerful. We're back above the ribbons. I expect over the next couple of weeks, we should see the tangle where the yellow starts to cross and it comes above, and we start holding support. Let's have a look on the weekly time frame, because I still see that Bitcoin needs to come right up to these ribbons here on the weekly time frame, and this is where we might meet resistance. So the first one could be this yellow line here. What have I done? Yep, I put a line that's just green. 29,000. Oh, I've got the lines here already. So the first resistance is the price, 29,000. If it breaks $29,100, expect Bitcoin to fly up to $35,600. Okay, so these are the prices that I'm waiting for. I'm gonna leave it here. If this was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Are you new? Make sure you subscribe. I've also got a Patreon if you want to become a patron, because they're seeing things that you can't see right now. Like this. I've blurred it out so you can't see. I got 7 tiers. Let me quickly grab it. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier, darling, because this one unlocks all my posts. That was a buy alert. And they can see what I'm buying and what I'm selling and what I'm doing, and you don't want to miss out. So become a patron. Link is in the info section on all my videos. If you bid me for the year, you get 10% off. So click on that. Make sure you come in and have some fun with the posts that I'm doing here. If you can afford it, I got a CEO tier, which is my next tier above. Gives you my super alerts. You get access to my VIP Telegram group. I talk to you way before I buy, sell, stake, and all that stuff, all in here. And there's big money sharing great projects, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.